let's get to trying on this stuff. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is that lip scrub. We're gonna try that out. I'm just gonna pull my mirror up nice and close because I'm blind without my glasses. And we're gonna go into this lip scrub. My lips do feel a bit craggly and crackly, so this will be good. It's rock hard. How do you get in there? Oh, now it's starting to come. I'll just get a bit on my finger. There we go. And okay, some of it did get in my mouth. It tastes incredible. It is hard not to just lick that off. Like, hard not to just lick that off. Wow. Oh, how long was that eyeliner bit on my nose? What the heck? There. A bit of an exfoliated lip now. Now, because this didn't come with a foundation or a concealer, no, sorry, a foundation or a primer, I'm just going to use the ones that I have already. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer Base and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in 145. Just as my base in my face. And I will get back to you when it's done to try out the concealer. Okay, so the foundation is on. Time to test out the concealer. Let's try it. I'm gonna first start off with it. Blemishes or under eyes? Let's do blemishes first because I have some pretty intense blemishes. We'll start with it there. We'll see how it does. Not too bad. Let's do a little bit lighter. Did really well on my chin actually. I'm just gonna cover up the 3 big red spots again just to give it one more go. But on the rest of my spots, it did pretty well. And it blended into my foundation nicely. There we go. And now under eyes, because this is the real test. How does it do under the eyes? It does like to settle, unfortunately. But it does a pretty good job of brightening though. It just likes to settle a little bit more than I would like. So I'm gonna go grab a blush and a bronzer and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have a Wander Beauty Trip for 2 blush and bronzer duo that I'm gonna just try. Take the popsicle mirror. There we go. Now, I guess it's time to try the green highlighter. The Extreme Frost. Don't know how this is gonna go, but we'll try it. Yeah, that's just a lot of glitter. That's just like pure glitter. Not a huge fan of that because it's just basically glitter. I mean, it's a gorgeous color. It's just that it's mostly glitter. Then again, Jeffree Star makeup is not really meant for everyday wear. It is definitely meant for the stage. So this as a stage makeup would really, really work well. So seeing as we did the green, we might as well do the green eyeshadow palette. The green highlight, might as well go with the green eyeshadow palette. Okay, what do I want to do? I think I might take Make It Rain as my crease shade, and then maybe Self-Made or Equity as like an outer shade, and then probably Poison Ivy as my pop of color, and maybe a little bit of Chameleon Fetish in the inner corner. I think that is my plan. I have these mint brushes which just make it wonderful. So first things first, make it rain. Okay, here we go. Much softer than I thought it was going to be. Oh, but you can build it, which is good. It's going on a touch patchy actually, which is a little unfortunate, but it is blending out okay. Ooh, that looks nice. So it does take a bit of building, but you can actually get quite a nice color. There's no fallout that I can see. Yeah, so it's a good start. I'm gonna pull that underneath my eyes as well actually though. There we go. Equity or Self-Made. I'm gonna go with Equity on the outer corner. That lay down really well actually. Now I'm gonna pop a bit of that chartreuse kind of color, Chameleon Fetish, on the inner corner. Perfect. Almost like a neon pop on the inner corner. That's exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna try and take a brush and take Poison Ivy and put that on the inner to half of the lid. This will be where the fallout test actually comes into play. That picked up really well on the brush. Wow. I'm actually impressed. There we go. Wow. I like that. That was actually super easy to put on and off. To put on though. Like really easy. Dang. Okay. time to try that eyeliner, the Armored Truck eyeliner. Okay, it just crawled inside, that's all. Now I am going to put a magnetic lash on the top, so I don't know if I want to put this eyeliner on the top or actually on the bottom. Might just put it on the bottom. What if we did the waterline with this thing? I'm going to use a mirror where I can use two hands. I'm going to try that. This might be a mistake. It actually won't let me put it in my waterline. The formula is not quite stable enough for that. It's very crumbly. Admittedly, this is probably the first product that I'm not a fan of, just because it's not got a lot of stability to it. It's very soft and crumbly. That's it on the bottom line. Didn't quite work as well as I wanted it to, unfortunately. There we go. Fixed it, sort of. It does look a little lopsided, but that's because I still have to put the eyeliner on. Give it a nice time to dry. This is the Glamnetic Deep Space eyeliner. That went way too well on that side. It's not gonna look the same on the other. Damn it. Like way too well. Okay, hold the phone. I almost did it. Did I actually do it right? Oh my god. I did it. Cool. Yay, me. I gotta get eyebrow products. Okay, so for my brows, I think I'm just gonna use the Glossier Boy Brow. Hopefully that's not a mistake. Brows are done. Time for the lips. So I only had the one lip liner in this really dark color, Dominatrix, which I don't think that's gonna work with this look. Well, it might actually. Let's try it. No, it's too dark. Should go a bit lighter on the lips. So let's just go in with a liquid lipstick. This one, I guess, because it's the most neutral out of them. Okay, we're gonna do Dominatrix in the bottom. Oh, that took forever. I don't know why it takes me so long to do my lips, but finally I got them correct. Finally. So I think I'm gonna go over it now with this color here. A little sweaty. I don't know why, but that was nerve-wracking. That this color that I got from the mystery box is Velour liquid lipstick. That actually matches way better than I thought it would. Wow. Like, that is actually a pretty damn good color match. I am shocked. Okay. So that is the liquid lipstick on top of that lip liner. Now the lip liner is darker, yes, but the lipstick went pretty well with it. So I think to top it all off, I'm just going to use this mouthful, the gloss. Alright. Okay, that makes it feel much better. Like, the liquid lipstick was a little drying, so putting the gloss on top really helps. Now the gloss does have the same kind of feel that old school lip glosses do, where it's like quite thick and a little bit sticky. Time for the lashes. So I'm gonna put on these Hello Kitty Kuromi lashes. These are probably the most intense lashes I own, so that's why they're going on here. So that is my final Jeffree Star Cosmetics glam look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below, what were your favorite products from these mystery boxes? What would you buy? What would you wish I try out in the future? And just, what did you think of the final product? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you next time, beautiful people. Bye!